So Lady Lake, Florida. So what kind of air currents are there up there to shape those clouds in this shape? I mean, the air is flowing like that? Because certainly the clouds are going to follow the airflow. They're lighter than air. You tell me. So check out that cloud. Look at that, the anvil cloud there. Yeah, Lady Lake. Yeah, beautiful. Bad weather, but beautiful. Yeah, I don't like the looks of that right there. That looks tornadic almost. So it's already rained one time today. This looks like maybe round 2 coming in.